Hello everyone, and welcome back to my tutorial on how to solve the Rubik's Cube. So for this video, we'll be covering headlights. And in this video, we'll be taking the first step to permutating all of the top pieces in the top layer. So, the first thing that we need to address is what are headlights, and how can you notice if you have them? Well, headlights are whenever you have two of the same color on each of these corners, each of the corners facing you. So, as you can see here, we have orange and white, so these are not headlights. They're two different colors. This is white and yellow, so these are not the same. We have orange and yellow, which are still not headlights. But here, we have red and red. Same colors, which are known as headlights. But it can happen to where you don't have headlights, which I will show you what that looks like right now. So this is what it looks like if you don't have headlights. If you look around the cube, you will see that nowhere on here do we have headlights. This doesn't happen every time, but it does happen. And some people get confused on, whoa, what am I supposed to do? There's no headlights. This is confusing. So, what I'm going to teach you is how to get headlights if you don't have them, and what to do once you get headlights. So, let's just start from here. Let's say you don't have headlights anywhere. The first thing to do is to pick any side. It doesn't matter which one's facing you or which way this is, if you don't have them. And the algorithm that you're going to perform is called the T-perm, or headlights. The algorithm, it's fairly simple. It's right, up, right inverse, up inverse, right inverse, front, right 2, up inverse, right inverse, up inverse, right, up, right inverse, front inverse. And if you look around the cube, you will now have headlights. Disregard the middle piece. The only things that matter for headlights are these two. And here, we now have headlights. So, let's transition over to the one that does have headlights. Now we are back to the cube that does have headlights. So, what do you do once you do have headlights? If you didn't and you perform the algorithm, all you have to do is hold the headlights to where they're facing your left hand, this way. So these headlights will face my left hand, and the top color will be on top. And all you have to do is perform the same exact algorithm. Right, up, right inverse, up inverse, right inverse, front, right 2, right inverse, or up inverse, right inverse, up inverse, right, up, right inverse, front inverse. And after that, you will then either have completed the cube, which sometimes happens. You will have one of two of these cases where only 3 of these are changed, or you will have one of 2 different cases where all 4 of the edges are changed. So I'm going to go through this one more time with another cube, just to make sure that we get another run through of it. So here we are with the other cube that we had no headlights on and then put headlights on. So we're just going to do it one more time. Right, always remember, headlights face left of your hand, top color in front. And the algorithm is right, up, right inverse, up inverse, right inverse, front, right 2, up inverse, right inverse, up inverse, right, up, right inverse, front inverse. That will keep this all solved, and it will give you another one of these cases. So, thank you all for watching. I hope this helped with solving your headlights and how to get to the last step of permutation. The algorithm used in this video will be in the description for you to practice and study. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.